So I'm walking really late at night around our apartments because my granddaughter, the 1-year-old, or was she 14 months old going on 40, won't sleep. But I'm up by this area that's kind of swampy, and I'm sure it's really full. I haven't really looked at it because of the tropical storm Hermine or whatever it is blew through here this morning. But I've never heard this animal, so I thought I would give you all a listen. I'm hoping you can hear it. It's kind of this gurgling kind of type noise that you'll hear in the background, kind of high pitched. Hope you can hear it. Okay, anyway, it's just really weird. I've never heard anything like this before. It's not a frog. We don't have frogs that sound like that in this area. If anybody's ever heard of anything like this, or if you can hear it, let me know.